6 Tools to grow a faceless business page on Instagram. Number 1. Chapel.io, all-in-one platform to generate AI content and start making money in minutes. Just go to Chapel.io. This tool can generate 30 days social media content in 30 minutes. Number 2. Planable.io, a social media collaboration tools. This tool visualizes your entire content and growth plan before your eyes. Just go to Planable.io, helps you stay consistent and collaborate with team using content planning tools. Number 3. Wepic.com, a free creative and simple design tool with unlimited possibility. Just go to Wepic.com, find hundreds of incredible free and ready-made templates for social media designs, stories, product images, etc. Number 4. STEVE.AI, a powerful tool that turns any text into a captivating video in a few clicks and minutes. Just go to STEVE.AI, convert text, blogs, or audio to high-quality videos. 8 STEVE.AI. Number 5. ManyChat.com lets you send automated DMs and respond to people who comment on your post. Just go to ManyChat.com and start sending automated DM. Number 6. Carousels.com, automate your design with AI. Let AI design and create carousel to post amazing content. Just go to carousels.com, allow the AI to create educational post for you.